Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you two clips taken from a long video, 66 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. One clip is focusing on the forex market, the other on the energy sector. I think that there are many great setups that I describe in this video that you could take advantage of. You will need to take at least a trial of my service. Give a try to my service. It is modestly priced, and you will get a very good idea how far and in what way I can help you. The trial will give you access to 7 days and 7 daily videos, plus you can check the archive. I'll be talking again about my website and service after the clips end, so if you're interested, please stay on. There are several payment facilities: PayPal, Payza, and money bookers. So if you're interested, I'll be talking to you again after the clips end. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Czech koruna, US dollar Swiss franc, Australian dollar US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Singapore dollar, and then gold, silver, Canadian energy index, light crude, heating oil, the euro bond, USD bond, the Dow, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the S&P 100, the Nasdaq, and then the European indices, the DAX, the EU Stocks 50, CAC 40 of France, IBEX 35 of Spain, Italy's MIB, and then Bombay's 100 index, Australia's ASX index, Singapore's STI index. Okay, that's the US dollar, Singapore dollar, and I'll just focus on the short term here. I have a 4th wave ending here on the daily. The daily is going back to July 2010. I'm looking at this first leg down, 1, 2, and I wonder if I have the third ending here or here. If it ended here, we had the 4th wave going on for almost 3 months, and we are ready to drop towards 120. If the third wave ended here, this is also feasible because we had it running for 2 months almost. 1.5 months, and this took just about a month, the second wave, so this is still in proportion, but all in all I expect it to come down. Let's have a look at the daily. It's been going almost nowhere for 2.5 months here, you see, but this price action looks very corrective. I mean, this is of course the impulse wave, and here we are just holding ground before this forex pair gets another push down, and that's the way I bet. I think first target is 121.50, but it's likely to continue quite a bit lower. Okay, that's the Canadian energy index, and the situation with oil is unclear to me, and that's why I'm calling for some help here. Calling the Canadian energy index possibly to shed some light. We have looked at the weekly scale. I'll go back here very quickly. We're taking this as A, that's B going down in a C, or the B might have ended here. We're going down now, beginning with a big C. And the wave count, when you look at the daily, is still okay. I mean, the wave count that I presented recently, if you remember, we had this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. That looks to me like a perfect 4th wave. There is absolutely no problem. It didn't go above the level here. It is still looking like it's converging into a triangle. Might take several more sessions to complete that, and then the drop. So this is still on track, and he's suggesting that oil prices will be looking down. But I am a bit suspicious. I am suspicious naturally because the US dollar is looking weak, and the US dollar is looking like there is further big slides ahead. So how that is going to influence oil, that is putting the oil situation here in a difficult in the difficulty, it's difficult to interpret that, because on the one hand we have plenty of signals from the fundamental side that there is plenty of oil. The economy is not booming, is not doing super well, and there's no problem with oil. There is plenty of oil. But what could enter the scene here is the monetary aspect. If the dollar falls sharply just on the monetary ground, you could argue that the oil has to be re-indexed, yes, has to appreciate. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you're paying through money bookers, that should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of to people from a lot of countries. Also Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries, so that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page, and I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand if you like my service? If you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take on and off all the time. Just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, money bookers, AlertPay, choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.